Kaze everyone, so we're gonna do our activated charcoal face mask today. We got the activated charcoal in this little container with our activated charcoal soap. And we're adding vitamin E. This is saffron oil and lemon oil. You can get this at a local vitamin E shop or like vitamin shop, or else a local beauty supply. You can get this at a Walgreens, anywhere I think, or Walmart. All right, so I'm not gonna need all of these activated chakras, so I added a little bit. I think I might have added a bit too much. Okay, I got some. I don't want it to be like a thick paste texture. I'm gonna add just a little bit of vitamin E. There we go. And then mix it a little more, which is going to thicken it up a little bit. So don't make it too thick. And of course it's oil and water, so it's not going to mix up really well. And that's okay. I tested some on my finger just to get an idea of how it is. So I'm gonna take my glasses off and we're gonna get started. I washed my face with the activated charcoal soap, but I'm gonna wash it again just to get it damp. I'm patting my face dry and not rubbing it, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm gonna start with a spoon, and this is a very messy one, so be very careful. And it's activated charcoal, so it has a little bit of exfoliation to it when you're adding it. Make sure not to get any on your clothes, because it will really suck if that happens. And the best thing about this face mask, it dries really quickly. So I'm gonna apply it on my whole face using my mirror because I can't see right now. Okay, so we're all done and your hands is gonna look like this. I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna answer some of the few questions you all might have. All right, and this is after I clean my hand. So okay, some of the questions you guys may have regarding, hold on, wait. All right, so some of the questions you guys might have regarding, it's almost ready. It's already drying off. The one thing about this activated charcoal face mask, it dries off very quickly, so that's good. So some of the questions you all may have regarding this activated charcoal soap is, does it stain your skin and keep your, like, turn your skin darker to like black? No, it does not. Is it brightening? Yes, it's a brightening face mask. It's also a detoxing face mask. So it tones up your skin tone and it detoxes some of the impurities like oils, you know, dust, like dirty dust that's hit your face. You know, anything that's clogged into your pore and it's not allowing your skin to breathe, it detoxes it out. So it's a detox face mask. There's some in the store where it like peels off some whiteheads and blackheads. I'm not sure what kind of chemical they use on those peeling face masks that's activated charcoal, but you can actually buy activated charcoal powder and do it yourself at home. All you have to do is like add vitamin E or like some type of oil to keep it a little bit, I don't know, moisturized, because it could get a bit dry on your skin. Drying, it could be a little bit drying on your skin. So that's one thing I do. What else? What other questions you may have? Yeah, people also use activated chocolate to brighten their teeth, like whiten their teeth. I personally don't use it, but it doesn't hurt to do it. I don't use it because I don't use it to brighten my teeth, because it's very, very messy to do that. The powder itself is messy. Like once you open it, it starts going into the air. So I don't use it for that. I simply just use it for face mask and for my soaps. Even for my soaps, I don't use a whole lot of it because I do like a marble designs on my soap. So I don't want to use too much of it because people might see it. Before I used to do like just a black bar of activated chocolate, and people didn't find it attractive or appealing because it was just black. Like, oh, is it gonna turn me black? So I started, you know, playing with it, and I did a marble look with more whites in it, and people like it for some reason. I don't know why, but anyways, it's still the same ingredients and everything. It's just very low amount of activated charcoal inside. You can also ingest activated charcoal to help with like having a hard time with your bowel movement, or not like having a hard time with bowel movement, but like when you're having diarrhea, it kind of like hardens your whatever that's coming up. Anyways, there's a lot about it. I wouldn't advise you to ingest it. This is not, I'm not a medical profession, so please don't go ingesting activated charcoal and then say that, oh, VoyageFlower told me to do that. No, don't do it. I'm not giving you advice to ingest it. I'm not giving you advice to use it for your teeth, but I'm sure that it's safe for your face and your skin. So anyways, it's ready. As you can see, it's very dry, so we're gonna go ahead and take it off. I'm gonna use a washcloth to take it off, and this washcloth is going in the garbage afterwards because it's gonna be too dark for me to even use it again. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off. And these are the container that I was using to mix it. Look at how white it is. So it does come off. You know, don't be afraid to use your good containers. And we're using our marvelous soap. This is activated charcoal with peppermint essential oil inside. We're gonna use this little mini one to wash our face. So we're gonna go ahead and wet it with warm water and then apply the soap to wash it. I might not even use the washcloth, but we'll see. Let me show you how the washcloth look like. This is after use. So it's best that you use either a black washcloth or like a brown, or you know, a colored washcloth to do this, so that you don't get it stained. So I'm gonna turn this washcloth into a regular cleaning cloth so that I don't waste it. I'm gonna wait for my face to be a little bit damp so I can apply my moisturizer. Oh, I don't know if you guys seen my previous video that I just did. I think I might put a suggestion up here where you can watch it, but I had like a really bad hormonal breakout because it's that time of the month. So whenever it's the time of the month, I do get like hormonal breakout, and the only way to minimize it and kind of control it so it doesn't break out too much is for me to use activated charcoal face mask and activated charcoal soap, either that or the turmeric and tea tree soap. So whenever I do use that, it minimizes the breakout, and it's not as bad as it would be if I didn't use those products. So yeah, let me know down below what kind of products or what do you do if you do have hormonal breakouts during the time of the month. Like, what do you use to minimize it so it's not overpowering? Like, I don't want my face to get too dry, so I'm gonna damp it a little more. Oh, another tip, another skincare tip is never let your face get too dry before applying a moisturizer. Always apply when your face is damp. It's not too dry yet. Okay, so I'm gonna apply my vitamin E oil first, and then I'll apply my dahabu oil. I do have some vitamin E in my dahabu oil, but my face is feeling a little extra dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some vitamin E to keep it extremely moisturized. I can smell the lemon. All right, I'm all done with my vitamin E. Ooh, look at how moisturized I am. I haven't even applied my oil yet. Yeah, like once you really do this face mask, it really like, I'm gonna put it on my lips. But it really like detoxes your skin, and your skin is able to like just absorb whatever you put on it a little bit more quicker, because now the pores are clear to receive whatever else you gotta do it. I'm gonna apply my dahabu oil. This is argan oil, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and vitamin E, of course. I'm not applying too much. I'm gonna go up and have a beautiful day today, and I hope you have a beautiful day as well. Okay, and we're all done. But yeah, we're all set. This is our afterwards skin glow. I am still suffering from hormonal breakouts, so you can see some of it right here. It usually goes away like within a few days, so our skin are imperfect, okay? So don't think that your skin is like you're the only one suffering from something. We have imperfect skins. There's no such thing as perfect skin or perfect body, but I'm not gonna get into that. So yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. It's your way of supporting my YouTube channel to help it grow, so I can bring you more content like this. So if you like the video, give it a like button, and if you'd like to join my Voyager crew, please go ahead and subscribe down below. I would love to have you join us. But that'll be all for my video today. I'll see you again in my next video. Amahoro. Oh, by the way, Amahoro means peace in Kirundi. So peace to you all. Peace to everyone that's watching. I hope you have a beautiful day.